Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix screen resolution problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing this screen resolution problem, then I will show you some of the steps you can try and fix your issues. In this, the first method you can try is you can update your driver. For that, you have to open the device manager, right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. Here you need to find display drivers or display adapter, right click, double click on that, then right click on your display driver, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for the drivers. If your driver is not up to date, then it will update from here. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on search menu, then type here settings. Click on the settings. Then click on system. Here you will find display, click on the display. Under scale and layout, you will find scale. You can select as per your resolution, which is best according to your screen. After that, here you will find display resolution. Just click on this drop down, select the best resolution according to your screen. You can select one by one and see which resolution is working for your laptop or desktop. After trying, still you are facing the issue, here you will find advanced display, click on that, then click on display adapter properties for display 1, then click on property, and click on the driver, and click on update driver. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then click on rollback driver if it is available, or you can try by disabling the device and enable it again, or by uninstall the device. After uninstalling device, restart your PC. After restarting, it will install again. So that's it guys. So these are some of the steps you can try and fix your screen resolution problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.